I think the favorite part of the retreat was the learning, the neuroscience learning. Anna is a natural teacher. When she was teaching, it just was naturally just being absorbed in, and everything was clicking for me. The sounds going off, like the bells going off. Oh, that's why I do this. Not knowing why I do it, but that's why I do it. And things were coming together, and it just gave me that validation. To say, hey, I'm on the right track, and this is why I need to continue doing, because these are the benefits from it. So it was really the learning that was key for me. The neuroscience art was my favorite workshop. At first I was like, oh, we're doing art, and I got a little bit nervous about it because I've had like art classes before, and the expectation of, oh, you have to do a certain way, and everybody has to look, what the teacher's giving you, but everybody is individual. And that was what was key about it, that the art was representative of you and what you felt like. And at the end, when I saw the result of my art, and I looked at it again today, I'm just blown away by it. The beauty of it, the colors, and what it means to me when I see that neuroscience art. This was a transformative experience for me. I speak highly of it. Anna is a talented individual. She can not only teach with empathy and compassion, she shares stories that are just impactful and inspiring, and she invokes storytelling through the group that unfolds for everyone to even provide more value. We were a group of 9 people that came together, and we leave connected, and she created that connection. So I would say just invest in yourself and follow your heart and where you need to be, but you can't go wrong here. It's a beautiful place, and Anna has everything covered, and the experience will be wonderful.